Annyeonghaseyo. Hi, welcome to Jhope World. And I have two new Hobie unboxings right here, so let's get into it. Okay, finally. We got a cup right here. I'll open it next. So this is some more Fansite items. You can kind of make out what it is now. Well, they packaged it really well, as you can see. It's not very easy to get into. Okay, guess that's the folder that it comes in right here. Let's get the cup out of the plastic too. Okay, there it is. It's a Jhope reusable plastic cup. Okay, that's pretty cute. Okay, it says happy birthday. So this must have been for one of his birthdays that this was made. Fansite, good. There's Hobie on the back from his performance of Just Dance. Let's bring the camera down. See if there's anything else inside. Nope, that's it. So I got a clear file folder right here, or an L folder. He looks really good there on the cover. Ooh, there's the front. Wow. My first Jhope clear file L folder. Okay, let's see what's inside. Got some PCs of Hobie with curly hair. He looks good like that. Really cute. Oh, and there's a code on the back. Oh no, you can try using it. They might all have codes. Oh, this one has a holographic. Can you see that? That is really cool. Oh, there he is on the back. How cute. It says Happy Hope Day. Oh, that is so cool. I really like that. Another one with the code you can scan on the back, of AR code. And this is a sticker. It says Happy Birthday. And a postcard. That's from the Love Yourself tier, where he's wearing the leather. Double-sided. Oh, I really like that. He looks so good. So it says Happy Hope Day. And then there's little mini posters. So handsome there. He's in that black like coat with leather pants and those boots that go way up to his, almost to his knees. Okay, nothing on the back. Yeah, it's a good picture of him. He's all sweaty from performing, I suppose. I haven't seen this performance. So, yeah, I'm missing out on something probably. And there's the last picture right here. It's really beautiful. Nothing on the back. So, 2 pictures. And a clear file. L holder. And the little postcards. And the folder it comes in. Okay, well, I'll get these laid out and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is everything together from this Fansite unboxing for Hobie's birthday. I don't know which year this was from, but I'm happy to add this to my collection, so we can go ahead and move on to the next unboxing. Package from Amazon. Okay, so this was on there for like really cheap from Netmarble. This is from the BTS World mobile cell phone app video game. So I picked up BTS World Jhope Manager card. So something you can like wear around your neck. Like I'm the manager of Jhope now. Hobie, I'm your new manager. I'm coming in early in the morning. So anyway, yeah, that's really cute. Then right here, I got Limona. I'm gonna get the heart can next time. So yeah, I picked my biases can. That's pretty heavy too. So I have Jhope, Hobie on Limona from South Korea. This is vitamins. Has his signature right there. Yep, so I've had some of this. I've had samples and stuff from, if you've seen my previous unboxings. So yeah, I was super excited to get this. Then I want to get the heart one of Hobie. And if I can, I'd like to get like an OT7 canister or something like that. So yeah, there's a lot of their collabs that I need, like Fila or Fila cards. I need Chulsing cider or Chulsung. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. I need to get that with Hobie on it. I already got the cold brew, but they've done so many collabs, you know, MetaHeal, VT Cosmetics, stuff like that. So yeah, I need to pick up some Hobie cosmetics from VT. And yeah, some other little goodies. So anyway, this is what I got here. I guess I can open it up, and there's all the different packets in here. I'm sure it's multi-member in here too. Yeah, so there's Jimin. And if I can get it to focus, that's Namjoon. There's JK. Another Namjoon. Jin. Another JK. Yoongi. Namjoon again. There's Tae. Another Namjoon. There's got to be a Hobie in here somewhere. Another Jimin. Okay, Tae and Yoongi. Jimin, Jin. Namjoon and Jin. Jin. Get a Hobie can with no Hobie inside. Jin. Tae. Jimin and Jimin. Okay. Got JK. Jin. Yoongi. Yoongi. There's Hobie. Ah, yay, found Hobie. And RM. So Namjoon and Tae. There's a lot in there. Yoongi again. RM. And JK. Tay. RM. Jimin. JK. Wow, so out of this whole canister of Hobie, there was only one Hobie inside. Wow. Okay. I can't get this to focus. There we go. All right, I'm gonna pause this and I'll come back and get this open. I'm ready to get this opened so we can take a look at what it looks like. Oh. Wow, it's thick. Wow, that's really nice. I moved the camera, sorry about that. Touched the tripod. This is really, really nice. I didn't realize how thick this is. And of course, you'd put this around your neck. I can walk around saying, I'm Jhope's manager. Because in the mobile app game, that's what you are. You become a manager to each of the BTS members. So there is 6 other of these for Jimin, RM, Tay, Jungkook, Jin, and Yoongi. So yeah, I may get those guys too, but I had to get Hobie because, you know, he's my bias. There's something in here. Oh, some code. I bet it's no good anyway. And then there's another manager card saying like I'm the manager of the whole group. So I don't know if that's something you can like put inside here. Like this way. It would be covered up though, so. Or if you're wanting to change it out and just put like I'm the manager of BTS instead of Hobie. And it tells you how to put the cards in, take them out. So that is really, really cool. I didn't know it was such top quality here. It's a pretty good product. I really like it, and Hobie looks so cute. All right, I'm glad to add this to my collection. So thanks for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Annyeong.